Hardy-Weinberg law says that allele and genotypic frequencies will stay at equilibrium as long as these assumptions are met. However, when one, such as selection, is violated, the population no longer is in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Let's take a population of aliens whose skin color is controlled by a single autosomal gene. An alien that has two dominant alleles is green, one that is heterozygous is purple, and one that is homozygous recessive is orange. This is a picture of a population of aliens that is in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Before selection, you can see the number of each genotype for a total of 100 aliens in the population, and the allele frequencies and genotype frequencies. Using the chi-square test, we can see that this population is in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Using the observed and expected amounts, we can calculate the chi-squared, which is 3.79, which is smaller than the 3.84 critical value. We fail to reject the null, and the population is in equilibrium. Let's say that the diploid alien population mates to reproduce, and that selection occurs. Green aliens are favored over purple, and purple are favored over orange because of camouflage abilities. Here you can see the phenotypes of the alien population before versus after. This is an example of directional selection. You can see from the chart that the fitness is highest for the homozygous dominant aliens and lowest for the homozygous recessive. The dominant allele is favored because its phenotype helps the alien survive. Its color camouflages the alien better. To calculate the frequency after selection, we multiply the original genotypic frequencies by the fitness and divide it by the average fitness to get the frequency of each genotype after selection. We can use these genotypic frequencies to work backwards and calculate the allele frequencies left in the population after selection. At the top, you can see the number of the aliens left in each genotype. If we compare the genotypic frequencies before selection to the survivors and their offspring after, we see that there is a shift towards more homozygous dominant green aliens. If selection continues to occur after infinite generations, the homozygous dominant green aliens will be the only ones remaining.